Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know, this is our second channel. Earlier, many videos were uploaded for your class 6 to 12 in our Social Science with NKSR channel. And we are very glad for your good appreciation messages where you have mentioned that our teaching materials, extra questions, MCQ based question, which help you to do good in your term 1 exam. And as you requested to help you to do good in your term 2 exam, so this channel is made by my team so that many teaching materials, extra question and MCQ based question will be uploaded in this channel, so that this channel will be also very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. And many extra questions all the teaching materials were uploaded in this channel, and some of them are recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And we believe that you all are getting help from those uploaded videos. And we expect that you must have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapit channel, and along with that Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, every day my team uploads many educational videos of your class 6 to 12 in both the channels. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos, which will helpful for you. And one more thing, you should see all the videos till the end, because in between of the video I inform many important things. If you will miss to see the complete video, you will miss those important information. So you should see till the end all the videos, and you can help your friends also by sharing the information of the videos, sharing the videos, and you can also subscribe the video, like the video. In this way you can help your friends, and also that you can get help from these videos. And today my team is ready to record this video for the class 10 social science chapter federalism. And as I say in every video, that you should sit with one notebook and pen, so that you can write the important points in the which I inform in the video. Along with that, you can write the correct answer of the MCQ based question, and you can inform me in the comment section how much mark you got from all the from the total MCQ based question which I mentioned in this video. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? The first question of this chapter, class 10 social science federalism, is residuary subjects include subjects or dash. So residuary subjects include subjects dash of national importance, of state level importance, which do not fall in any of the three lists, or of common interest of both the central and the state government. So I hope you all must have written the right answer of this question. The right answer of this question, residuary subjects include subjects which do not fall in any of the three lists. Okay, so residuary subject includes subjects which do not fall in any of the three lists, because you know that we have three lists. One is central list, state list, and concurrent list. Okay, moving to the next question, union territories are dash. Your options are some states which enjoy enormous power, and the areas which could be merged with any of the existing state, and are the areas which are too small to become an independent state, or are the states which enjoy no power at all. So union territories are the right answer of this question is are the areas which are too small to become an independent state. Okay, moving to the next question, which of the following is not the part of the third tier system of the Panchayati Raj? Your options are municipalities, panchayat, janpad panchayat, and Jilla Parishad. The right answer of this question is municipalities are not the part of the third tier system Panchayati Raj. Moving towards the next question, which country doesn't have federal system? Your options are Belgium, India, Myanmar, third United States. So the country which doesn't have the federal system, from the option which I told, Belgium, India, Myanmar, and the United States, so that is Myanmar. Myanmar is not have the federal system. Okay, federal system means where the power is shared between the center and state. Okay, moving to the next question, which of the following groups of the countries follow the unitary system? So your options are France, Germany, and Germany and India, United Arab Emirates, China, and Sri Lanka, and United States, Japan, and Belgium, India, and Spain. So the groups of country which is following the unitary system From the option which I have told, the correct option is United Arab Emirates, China and Sri Lanka. So they have the unitary system. They don't have share the powers with the states. Okay. Moving to the next question, the boundaries of several old states of India were changed in 1947 in order to dash create new states, expand their area, mingle them with other states, and all of this. So the correct answer of this question is the boundaries of several states India were changed in 1947 in order to create new states. Okay. Moving toward the next question, which state in India enjoys special status? Moving toward the right options of this question are Mizoram, Manipur, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. So the right answer of this question, state in India enjoys special status, that is Jammu Kashmir. Okay. Moving towards the next question, because you know that Article 370, under the Article 370, some special status and special powers were given to the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Moving toward the next question, besides Hindi, there are day scheduled language in India. Your options are 21, 22, 23, 24. So besides Hindi, there are 21 scheduled language in India. Okay, student, this some of the important question which I have mentioned in this chapter. You can mark that question will become in many exams. So you mark that very important question. What are the first tier government in India called? So your options are provincial government, community government, central government, and district government. So the right answer of this question is first tier government. Okay. Moving to the next question, the desk legislates on residuary subjects. Your options are union government, state government, local government, and president. So the desk legislates on residuary subjects, that is union government legislate the residuary subject. Moving to the next government, rural local government is known as desk. Your options are Panchayati Raj, grassroots government, village government, and none of this. The right answer of this question is rural local government is known as the Panchayati Raj. Moving to the next question, municipalities are set up in DES. Metros, cities, villages, and towns. So municipalities are set up in towns. Okay. Moving to the next question, the mayor is the head of DES. Panchayat, municipality, Jilla Parishad, municipal corporation. So the mayor is the head of municipal corporation. Moving to the next question, the largest speaking language of India is DES. Urdu, English, Hindi, and Punjabi. So the largest speaking language of India is, correct answer is Hindi. Moving to the next question, which of the following states was not created to recognize difference based on culture, ethnicity or geography? The right answer of this, your options are Uttarakhand, Assam, Nagaland, and Jharkhand. The right answer of this question is Assam. Okay. So student, these are some of the important MCQ based questions which are prepared from each topic of this federalism chapter of class 10 social science, and we expect that this MCQ based question will help you to do good in your term 2 exam, and we will meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.